Rainbow Kappa. Right, it's up there. Devil by the well. Hmm.
Bloodstains. Almost faded. But the line's taut. Something's not right. A corpse, hanged by the bucket rope.
Ah.
Wide pelvis, small jaw. A woman. Around 30,
Does the stream
judging
look
by the teeth.
pixelated at all? Or does it
Left
look
arm's
fine?
missing. Need to cremate the remains. Gotta find the object that binds her to this place before I do, though.
I have found it. Yeah.
Let's take another look. Lovely craftsmanship, but I'll have to burn it with the body to get rid of the Noon Wraith for good. Better do it near the well. Need to
Quality
prepare
is
for this
fine?
fight.
Cool.
Brew some Wraith oil, drink some potions. And the bracelet. Igni.
The hair physics. I don't have NVIDIA hairs turned on at all yet. Well, if I did, it would make OBS lag. Because OBS is running from my graphics card.
Hey, I think it worked.
Come on.
Come on. Wow. They still look great. Cool. Ouch. Oh, holy crap. That damage.
Need to prepare for this fight. Brew some Wraith oil, drink some potions. And the bracelet. Igni.
Oops, I forgot to prepare. Nope, nope, nope. sword, thank you. Really? Okay, crap. Ouch. Dead? Okay. Yay, we did it!
She's gone. For good.
Find the spirit that haunts the well. Okay. Hope that didn't bug out. And it's done. Awesome. Here you go, Hades. There's a moon for you.
Job done. The well was haunted by the ghost of a woman who was killed there. I drove it away.
I just hope every unburied wretch don't start haunting us. Well, that battlefield's gonna cause us a heap of trouble.
If they do, you know who to contact. Meanwhile, Claire, Volker, names ring a bell?
I don't know him. Though I did hear our herbalist Tamira mention a Claire once. Same one, maybe? Your reward, Master Witcher. The gold I'd hid away for Mandy's dowry. Without you, she'd never have lived to wed. Now, there's hope for it, at least.
At this point, doubt I'll ever marry. You keep the coin from Mandy, her wedding. Raise a toast to my health then.
Thank you, Master Witcher. Them's warm words, you've a good heart. But I can't let you go empty-handed. Take this, at least. For luck.
Okay, that's quest 1 done. Secondary. Simply being kind. Indeed. Kappa. Yeah, I honestly don't think I could play this game on PS4 or Xbox One. It looks too
Whoa
beautiful
there,
on
Roach.
PC.
I think those plums are wreaking havoc on my gut.
Well then, don't eat plums.
Shavings from a tinderbox. Arsonist must have lit his torch here, tossed it on the roof, then fled through the orchard rinse. A man's. Large. Stinks of piss and vodka. Took off his boots and went in the water. Probably wanted to cover his trail.
Alrighty. The hell? There's a troll under the bridge. Oh dear.
I can't decide.
Something jumped out of the rushes. Drowners. Lost his boots in the rush.
Bosley said he'd not give his dog this water. Not with so many corpses rotting in it. Sure
Wait,
to be poisoned.
let's sell my stuff to
We meet
this
again.
guy.
Thank you for saving me. People say all kinds of things about witches, but I've always known yours to be an honorable guild.
So you managed to salvage some
A
goods.
guild?
Yes,
The guild
but I
of
await the repair
witches.
of my wagon. As time passes, my losses grow. Do you need something? I'll let it go half free.
Half free? Definitely. Show me
Let me
what
have a
you're
look at your
offering.
stock.
How much gold? 160. Damn. That's a hell of a lot lighter now. Wow. I'm already broke. Holy crap.
Take care.
Right.
Tracks lead back to the village.
Me gran told me about
Yeah?
a Smith's boy. Lad went missing one day, so folk nabbed a witchman that
Is
was
it
hunting
true?
nearby. Started
Northern
poking him,
women
asking.
bathe but
When he
once
started
every
twisting
3
and squirming,
moons.
so wham bam, they knocked his head
Freak.
off. Oh, so
Trail ends here, but I'll recognize him by his wounds. Drowner claw marks. It's gotta be him. Nasty wound. Run into a drowner?
What the fuck
Hey,
do you
Lucy.
care?
Whoa, our
How you
arsonist's a
going? How's
charmer too.
Warframe?
Come on, Smith wants to talk to you.
I not talk to a non-human. Sons of bitches all, and dwarves are the worst. Greedy little magpies, do anything for gold they will. They forge the blades the black ones put to our throats. Am I not right?
Very good. How are you?
Listen, we can work this out man to man. I give you gold, you don't turn me in. My mum died a while back and I sold her tools. I've spent some, but what's left is yours.
Scumbag.
Magpies and dwarves might be greedy, but I'm not. Can't buy me.
Then I'll beat your fucking mug to a pulp.
Try me, peasant. I could use the practice. Come on!
How is Warframe, Lucy? Wow. Oh my god, beaten to a pulp by some